Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation to gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find special features. Now let's tap on gestures and tap on navigation mode at the very top. So here we've got two different options, 3-button navigation. So if you've got the gestures, just tap on this option. Your device will immediately display 3-button navigation. You can customize circle to search, whether you want to use it or not. You can also tap on this settings icon and you can decide, you can reorder the back button and the resend, so it's up to you how you want to use it. And basically this is it. If it comes to the 3-button navigation, it's quite easy. If you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on gesture navigation, and instead of 3 buttons, we've got this line that is responsible for some gestures. You can tap on the settings icon. You can hide it if you want to. You can hide the line if you're not the biggest fan of it. You can manage mistouch prevention. You can also try a demo, so you can go through a tutorial. You can swipe to invoke the assistant. You can change the back sensitivity, but to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. And I forgot to mention that if you will hide the navigation bar, you will turn off the circle to search, because it needs to have, let's say, a physical button to be able to use to work. Alright, and now a quick tutorial. If you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the resends, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the resends. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.